So today I am going to show you how to make a design like this. So just follow the steps that I will going to show you in this video. So firstly open the Canva app in which we will going to make this design. Click on the Create Design button for creating a page for your design. After opening the page, choose color for the background, so we will going to choose black color for background. From the left bar, select text and add a heading. Type Nike, then select the font as you like. Now import a shoes image from Google. Now align it at the center. Take the same image of that shoes, then reduce its opacity. And set its position at the back. Now from text, we write SNE. Set the font and choose red color. Duplicate the SNE and write curves in place of it by giving it grayish white color. Now we use some elements to make it more cool. Now we add some long curved strips. Line should be look like as it is coming out of the shoes.